never dated me. Lies, tell me lies, baby, tell me how you hate me. Hate me, hate me, still trying to replace me. Chase me, chase me, tell me how you hate me. Erase me. But don't say that I don't know you, 'cause oh, I know all about your type.
A splash of vanilla extract. Woo! And a splash of almond milk. Mix it on up. Stick it in a baking tray. Top it with some dark chocolate chips. Bake it for 20 minutes. Slice them on up and bon appetito.
Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh nah. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, heavy breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. Wish that I could witness all your joy and all your pain. Until my moment comes, I'll say
chagrin, affaibli par la page, souris malheureux, volant ton chemin, tout saccage à peu, car rien ne gratuit. L'espoir est un plat bien trop vite consommé, à sauter les repas, je suis habituée, un voleur solitaire et triste à nourrir.
L'espoir était pionnier, les vitons j'étais, et les jontons les opas, les gisons l'étaient, on pourra je les temps, les disponérants, mon dans les opas.
Okay guys, so today we're going to be doing a waffle hack with pre-made cinnamon swirls. We picked these ones up from Tesco. We cut them into 6 slices as per the instructions on the pack, and then instead of baking them in the oven for 11 minutes, we popped ours in the waffle maker and they needed no longer than about 3 minutes and they were done. They smell super good, and if you love cinnamon, you need to try these. We then made our icing with icing sugar and water and drizzled this over the top. They make a really easy and delicious breakfast, snack or dessert.
Life hack time! Let's make some Oreo brownies. You need some Oreos, a mug, a fork, and milk. All right, let's put my Oreos in here. I put about 7 in here, and let's pour the milk in. Don't pour too much. Get your fork and crush it. Keep crushing it until it looks like batter. Okay, it should look something like this, kind of thick. Put it in the microwave, and we're gonna put it for 60 seconds. And it should look something like this, and let's test it out. Look at that, it looks just like chocolate cake or brownie.
Start with that chicken thigh, pat it dry. Get them all in a bowl. Season them all with Tabasco, cayenne, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Mix it up until it looks just like that. 2 cups of flour, cayenne, paprika, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. Mix it up. That's the flour mix. 2 eggs, buttermilk. You're gonna want to mix that up. Pour that over the chicken. Mix up the chicken, get it in there, and let it sit. Then coat the chicken very well in the flour. Spicy mayonnaise, paprika, cayenne, Tabasco. Simple. Mix. Oil in. Check that it's hot enough. Has to be hot enough. You want to hear that noise. Chicken thigh, 5 to 6 minutes each side, golden brown, then flip. After that, take it out just like that. Toasted brioche bun, spicy mayonnaise both sides, pickles, that chicken, top it. Yes,
So you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage.
दोस्तों आज की रेसिपी है KFC जैसी फ्राइड चिकन, ऊपर से क्रिस्पी अंदर से सॉफ्ट। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। ये चिकन ले लिया है मैंने, इसमें आधा चम्मच अदरक लहसुन का पेस्ट, 1 नींबू का रस, थोड़ी सी दही, चाट मसाला आधा चम्मच, कुटी हुई काली मिर्च आधा चम्मच, स्वाद अनुसार नमक। इसे मिला के 1 घंटे के लिए छोड़ देना है। ये मक्के की पपड़ी है, इसे आपको क्रश कर लेना है। इसमें 3 चम्मच मैदा, 3 चम्मच कॉर्नफ्लोर डाल देना है, फिर स्वाद अनुसार नमक डाल देना है, लाल मिर्च पाउडर डाल देना है और ये चिली सीड्स डाल देनी है थोड़ी सी। अच्छे से मिला के साइड में रख लेना है। 2 अंडा तोड़ लेना है बाउल में, दूध 1 कटोरी, स्वाद अनुसार नमक और इसे फेंट के रख लेना है। चिकन लेंगे, अंडे में डुबोएंगे और फिर इस मिक्सचर में इसे मिला लेंगे, अच्छी तरह से कोटिंग कर लेंगे। देखिए कोटिंग हो गई है। अब गरम तेल में हम इसे तल लेंगे लो मीडियम फ्लेम पे 10 से 15 मिनट तक। तैयार है हमारी KFC जैसी ऊपर से क्रिस्पी और अंदर से सॉफ्ट चिकन। आपका कोई सवाल हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ।
How to make a whipped coffee latte. First, grab your instant coffee and measure out about 2 tablespoons. Next, get some white cane sugar, and you can also use brown sugar if you'd like, and also put out 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then go ahead and heat up some water, and then add 2 tablespoons of the boiling water. Now mix it together until the coffee is more smooth. Then using a hand whisk or an electric whisk, I got this one from Amazon, go ahead and start whisking the coffee. Once you start whisking the coffee, you'll notice that the color will progressively get lighter and the consistency will actually get very thick. This is how thick mine looks with about a minute or 2 of whisking. Now go ahead and get yourself some ice, your preferred choice of milk, and add in your whipped coffee at the top. And there you have your whipped trendy TikTok coffee. Go ahead and like if you want to see more videos like this.
McDonald's McNuggets. Start with that chicken breast. Go ahead and cut it up into little cubes, and we're gonna blend it in batches, and we're gonna pulse it. You could use a grinder if you have one, but I don't have one. I'm guessing a lot of you don't have one. You could use a blender, works just as good. Season the meat with a bunch of salt and pepper, and then the key to shaping your nuggets is to keep your hands wet so it doesn't stick to you. So you feel me? We made a few McDonald's shapes, and we went off with some dinosaurs, made a country, and look at that. I don't know what that is. Throw it into the freezer for like 2 hours. For the dry mix, we're going to go flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, mix it up. For the wet batter, we're going to go eggs, half a cup of water, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and whip that up. Then once your nuggets are hard, we're going to go dry, wet, and then leave on there. And then once you do that, you're going to heat up some oil. Once it bubbles around the stick, the wood, the chopstick, throw them into the oil. Make sure they don't stick to each other. Fry them for about 2 minutes each side. Take them out, and you got chicken McNuggets. Yes, sir.